Alrighty, we are in Tarlac. We are on our way to Cubao bus terminal in Manila. From Alaminos City, we left there at 5 after 10 a.m. Here today, August 3rd, Wednesday. It is now 1:05 in the afternoon. We've been on the road for 3 hours from Alaminos City to Tarlac. So we'll see how long this one takes. We're only here for a few minutes to take a potty break, and then we're on the road again. So yeah, this is Tarlac. I don't think I've been at this rest station before, but I think we're just right down the road from, if I remember right, I think the mall is down this way, the SM Mall. I'm pretty sure, if my memory serves me correct, but I'm just waiting for my lovely wife, and then we're gonna get back on the bus. So all right, we'll check back with you here in a few. All right, bye.
The mall is so far away.
Or just whatever. All right, we're in Dau, and we got just over 4 hours vested in this trip so far. Kind of slow moving, but I know once we leave here, it's pretty much a straight shot into Manila. Goes pretty quick. What do you want? Yeah, okay. Just doesn't have to be anything special, just whatever. Grab it, and then just water is what I really. Yeah, get the white cream, and then those little. Get those 2 chocolate frosteds on the bottom right there. So yeah, it's been a couple years since I've been in this bus station. Actually 3 years. We were here, last time we were here was 2019. When I was going from Alaminos City to Manila to fly back to the States. So yeah, I saw somebody post a video of this bus station during the pandemic, and it was a ghost town. I remember the guy, I think it was Philly in the Philippines or something, he was walking around through here and there was just nothing. It was just desolate. But yeah, nice to see it back in full operation again. This is cool as hell. Anyways, I better get back on this bus before we miss it. Ready, huh? Down here. All right, we are. Yep. All right, back on the bus we go. Ready for the final stretch? Yeah, it was an early morning. All right. Oh, man. Alright, let's move this stuff out of here. Alright. We made it to Manila, Cubao bus station. That took 6 hours and 35 minutes. That was with 2 brief stops in Tarlac, and then the second one in Dau. And then I would say about the last 45 minutes of this trip was spent just cruising through the busy streets of Manila. So yeah, it's pretty freaking hectic. But it was a smooth ride. Over 6 hours though, so my butt's sore. Anyways, we'll catch up again here in a few. So we found us a taxi. We're gonna head over to our hotel, which is over in the Mabini district, called Manila Lotus. We've stayed there a couple times, 2 or 3 times. So we're gonna head over there, get settled in, and then get something to eat. All right, thank you. It's been a long dang while since we've done this. It's been a while since we've done this. Rode a taxi in Manila. What's the matter? What was that? Carrying the luggage that I could have done. I had it, no problem. Oh well, that's okay. Yes, that's all right. Yeah, these guys out here, they gotta make a living somehow. Cubao bus station. I can't remember how long it took to get from this bus station over to Mabini. 20 minutes? Well,
mga 20 minutes.
Traffic is pretty bad.
20 minutes. Almost an hour.
Are you kidding me? To get to the hotel? Oh man.
Hotel ba yun, ma'am? Hotel?
Opo.
Anong hotel?
Lotus Garden. Manila Lotus pala. Manila Lotus.
Lotus.
Manila Lotus.
Yeah, I suppose the traffic is bad right now.
Traffic.
Yep.
Traffic.
Oh well, I guess just patience, right?
It's patient.
Oh, good. We made it. That wasn't so bad. The Manila Lotus. Oh man, been a while. 3 years. I got it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Wait, is that it? Ready? Yeah, hold on a second. Alright, cool. Yeah, it's been a while since we've been here. Alright, well that was 540. 540. So it was what, 7.5 hours. Oh man. All right. Well, you know, like the other day I was mentioning that nobody asked for vaccination cards. Oh yeah. They're still living by the frickin'... They're still living by the code here.
And they have some facilities for quarantine, 5Ws.
Yeah. Yeah, they're... We'll see how it goes over at the Regency when we stay there. Huh? Yeah, coming back. 309? Good. Yeah, the Regency is where we're going to be going when we come back through here on the way home. Something looks different. Definitely. This place has changed. Put in new doors for sure. Because remember the old doors? They were kind of rickety. Well, that's cool. Well, that's it, guys. We're going to go in the room and kick back. So thanks for joining us. And we will talk to you again soon. Alrighty. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.